There are always uninvited guests near the house recently. Black and white bee. After searching for a long time, a honeycomb was found in this corner. Although I don't know what species of bee it is. After all, there are children at home. Use this sealant first. Try to seal the exit of the honeycomb. I wouldn't want to get stung. Alright, let's see the effect. The bees that want to go home can no longer enter. Several bees also fell out of the nest. Oh my god. Alright, the hole should be sealed this time. I'm about to unleash my ultimate weapon. This hive is pretty stubborn. Another wave of attacks. Look, there are 2 big pieces falling off. It's basically lost. Final strike. Alright, big win. Good luck finding a new home.